There are three types of variables in TypeScript. Let's just review them in this simple example. So for example, let's say that we have a function, greetUser, where we are creating three variables. First one is var, which is a function scoped, and we are creating a greeting and assigning a value hello. Next one is the let, which is block scoped, and it can change, right? So for example, we are creating a username, orcan, and the next one is constant, and it's a block scoped and it cannot change. So for example, we are creating here constant app name, and we are assigning the value for it my app, and it cannot change. The first thing that we do here is we are logging all these values, right? So we are logging greeting, username, and the welcome to whatever the app name is, right? So for example, in this case, it will going to print for us what? It will going to print for us hello orcan and the welcome to my app. The next one is we are creating a new block here, and the block is if block. And what we do is in the if block we are creating, so we are for the variable greeting, we are assigning the value for it hi, and for the username we are assigning the value to Bob. Now if we are going to print this value, so we have changed this one, right? Hello to hi and the orcan to Bob, it will print for us hi Bob. So what's going to happen after this block, right? After this block, we are again printing the greeting separately and printing the user separately. So what's going to happen is this hello, right? It will change to hi because greeting is a function scoped, and if we are changing the value here, it means that this value is also changed. It will print for us hi. But in case of the username is block scope, so which means that whatever the value we have assigned that here, it's only applicable within that block, right? So the outside of the block, the value is it hasn't changed the value that we have assigned here, the greeting. It will print for us the value orcan. Okay, let's run it, and as you can see here, so the first one print for us hello orcan, welcome to my app, and the next one we are changing the values to hello and Bob, and after so hello and Bob, and since this value, right, that we have changed here, so the hi, since the hi is function scoped, the value of that change, we change that within the if block, and the value changed to hi. And since the username is the block scoped, so which means that whatever the value we have assigned to within the if block, it hasn't affected the function scope, right? So it hasn't affected this username that we have created here.